Manalai. I feel myself. Wow. Can I get a wow? Wow, wow, wow. Dark truth. You like it, don't? You know you like it. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Rashi Show. I am your host, the one and only fabulous, energetic Rashi. Give it up. One time, hit, two time. So on today's show, I'll be showing you a simple, very simple way to do crochet passion twist. So I'm gonna start with this comb. I already parted my hair from ear to ear, and then this section I have blow dried this section already, but for this section I haven't blow dried it because my hair gets too soft when I blow dry it and the oil is in there. I can't manage it. So let's jump in to the style. Your starting part can be on any side. I just chose this side because it's my favorite side to wrap my side part on, okay? And I like to wear side parts because I got a 5 head and I like to cover it. Not that I'm ashamed of it, hell nah. I just like to cover it up sometimes. And when you guys are doing your plaits, make sure they're not too tight because migraines are not fun when they're not fun, period. But migraines plus braids, it's not a good look. So when you plait the hair, you do it halfway, okay? And then when you reach halfway, you just stop. Then you do another section, open another section, and you connect the first one to the second one, right? And then after you do the second one, you just connect it to the third one, and then you're done. In the back, I did 6 cornrows. I don't think you really need more than that, because if you do probably more than that, you're going to end up using a lot more of the crochet here than probably you'd need, and then it's going to be really heavy. Okay, so that's the braiding pattern. Let's get to crocheting. Passion twist, honey. So I ordered this here on Taobao, which is a Chinese site, but I'm pretty sure you guys can find it on Amazon or any other sites or your local beauty supply store. Okay, so the hair is in color 1B. You can see here, and this is what it looks like in the pack. It really didn't come in anything fancy. This is what the hair looks like out the pack. So that's the ends. 12 strands or 12 whatever comes in the pack. And I also got this color, just one pack though, burgundy, or what color this is. I need to look back on the thing to see exactly what. Oh, fire. So let's begin here. So what you do is you get your crochet needle. I got this for free. I got it in the pack, and you open it, bam. Then you go through, slide it through, hook the hair, close it, pull it through. Then you get the end, you hook the end right here, you hook the end, get it through, and then you pull it to make sure that it's closed, and voila, what do we have here? We just did a whole braid. Haha. Okay, honey, let's do another one. Okay, so you get another strand, you find the hole. Okay, you get your needle, all right, you get your needle. This is the second braid. Get it through the middle, hook the hair. Oh, this one giving me trouble, sis. Close it, pull it through, hook the end, close it, then you pull it through, and then like that you close it. That's 2 braids down. Oh, I'm looking good already, aren't I? Ew. Get another one. Nah, like I was made for this, honey. Honey. Yes, sis, yes. Okay, get the hole. So remember on this one I did 3, okay? Yeah, I did 3. So get it through the middle, hook it, close it, pull it through, then you get the end, hook it, close it, pull it through, and then just close it. We ain't want no trouble. I mean, this looks like, man, this don't look like no crochet. Look at it, sis. Look at it. It don't look like no crochet. It don't look like crochet. Tell me how you feel, tell me how you feel, tell me how you feel about this look, shawty. Okay, so this is just the front part. I haven't done the back as yet, but you can see it looks. Okay, the same pattern that you did with the crochet in the front, that's the same thing you do in the back. And don't do the crochet here too closely together, because if you do it too closely, then you're going to end up using more crochet here than you would probably need, and it's gonna be heavy, really heavy. But talk about these passion twists though, they look like the real thing. They look like, wow, they just so beautiful. Oh my god, sis, you doing it, you did that. You see, look at the spacing there. Yeah, that spacing is okay. I ended up using 6 packs and I bought 7, so when I'm gonna do this hairstyle again, I got an extra pack. This hair is so pretty. Look at it. Wow. Woo! I felt like this legit looks like I went to the hairdresser. Like, I went to the hairdresser, I paid my money, and I sat there for like 4 hours and did this. I mean, this don't look like no crochet. It's legit. See, I can put some up. For real, I be loving this. Nah, sis. Don't you love it? Don't you like it? I think taking everything. Risky, gal, yep. I just went from 0 to 100, girl, in 1 hour. Ooh. But thank you guys for watching my video. Tell me if you guys would try this style. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We got more good stuff.